you have not signed up for the text messages, please do so. I will be posting the winter storm outlooks twice a week on the weathertalk.com website under the daily weather summary tab. Click that tab. You'll see how to get to the winter storm outlook. You'll see the password for the winter storm outlook. Also, if you choose text option 4, that does not replace the other 3 text options. Text option 4 is used during non-severe weather days. I'll send you a text to the latest blog update, Facebook update, those sort of things. But this does not replace the other 3 text messages. Keep that in mind. You need to choose those as well. Also, the proceeds from the texting service also helps purchase teddy bears every year for Child Watch and PSAC in Western Kentucky. They work with children in Western Kentucky, Southern Illinois. These are quality gun bears, brand new. We don't give away used bears. These are brand new bears right out of the package, and we do that about once or twice a year. We've given away thousands of teddy bears over the years. So be sure and sign up for the text messages. That's at bo.weather.com, or you can also just sign up on the weathertalk.com website. Thank you. Good morning, fellow weather enthusiasts. It is December 3rd, 2016. Hard to believe that it's already December, but it is. We've got some rain in the forecast, mostly dry today. We could have a few light sprinkles show up later this afternoon. Now, radar today might be a little misleading. A lot of virga going to fall. And what is virga? Well, we have dry air at the surface, very dry air. You've got rain falling from the clouds, but as it hits that dry air, it evaporates. Sometimes it takes a while to moisten up the entire atmospheric column. Now that's from the surface to the clouds. So you might look up, you might even be able to see the virga, but it may take a while today to reach the ground. At the early onset of the precipitation later today, we could even have some sleet pellets. That's pretty common. Not going to be an issue, just kind of a novelty sleet pellet. Now we take a look at the WRF model. It does a great job in the short term, and we can see rain over our area already here at 7 a.m., 6 a.m., not reaching the ground. Again, we're going to see this through the day on radar. This area down here, yeah, that's reaching the ground. It will take a while for that to happen in our area. Let's just move through the day here, and we'll stop here at the lunch hour, and you see again green over our area. But most of that, maybe a sprinkle, maybe a sleet pellet, most of that not reaching the ground yet. It's this heavier area to our south and west that will spread into our area tonight, Saturday night into Sunday morning. We're going to have widespread light rain, maybe a little wet snowflake here and there over Southern Illinois, northwest Kentucky, northern parts of southeast Missouri. Not anticipating any problems from the snow. Just kind of, again, a novelty snow event with some light wet flakes mixed in there. No problems. Look back here, we have heavier snow over Nebraska and Kansas. Just another sign that winter is approaching. We keep moving through the day here, and I'll stop it at 6 p.m. tonight. Now you see some of those darker greens. This will be reaching the ground first over the Poplar Bluff area, first over the Boot Hill area, first over West Tennessee, spreading northeastward through the night. Cold raindrops at that. Temperatures tonight are going to fall into the 30s. And I don't know about you, but the worst kind of weather is rain with temperatures in the 30s. Just icky cold rain is what I call it. Light rainfall totals, not anticipating a lot. 1/10 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch, especially down here over southern Missouri, Kentucky-Tennessee border, 0.03. Not a big rain event, but we'll take it. We're still in drought. We need more rain. This will be the 3rd or 4th event over the last 2 weeks. Active pattern, finally an active pattern. And this is going to continue for a while. The next 2 weeks look active as well, with quite a bit of colder air arriving later this week. Okay, let's just keep moving forward. We'll go into the overnight hours, and I'll stop here at around 12 a.m. Darker green overspreading the area. Light rain, cold rain. We'll continue into the early a.m. hours on Sunday. Now, as we move into Sunday morning, I'll stop here at 6 a.m. You early risers might still see some raindrops. Look at the snow just north of our area. Again, maybe some snowflakes over our northern counties. Not anticipating any travel problems. Kind of a novelty event. Just a reminder that it is December. We'll move through Sunday morning, and the rain will break apart. Should be out of here during the morning hours. I suspect late morning, afternoon hours on Sunday should be mostly dry. I suppose the rain will linger longest over the Pennyroyal area of western Kentucky down here into West Tennessee, but should be on the way out as we move through the day. Another rain system arrives on Monday afternoon, Monday night. Heavier event will watch a low pressure center moves through our area with some thunderstorms possible. I think the severe weather will remain down into Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, maybe Louisiana. Keep an eye on it. The low should track in our area or near our area. Thunderstorms normally on the east side of the cold front, southeast side of the low. I suspect we will have some lightning strikes in our area Monday afternoon, especially Monday night. But again, severe weather unlikely. That rain event could produce 3/4 of an inch of rain, pockets of 1.5 inches. Let's go with widespread 1/2 inch to 1 inch rains from that system. Locally heavier totals possible. Another cold front approaches on Wednesday, our first Arctic blast of air of the season. If we get some snow on the ground up here to our northwest, going to help us keep those temperatures cold. Thursday morning temperatures into the 20s, teens by Friday and Saturday morning. Highs on Thursday may remain in the 30s. Highs on Friday may remain in the 30s as well. Rain may develop along the cold front, quickly changing to light snow on the backside. Now, if the low pressure organizes a little bit better, we'll be looking at accumulating snows over at least parts of the Missouri Valley. We'll keep an eye on it. Right now, it looks like light snow for our area as the colder air moves in, blustery winds. Not sure about accumulation, just way too soon. I know your weather apps are telling you anything from 1 inch of snow to 8 inches of snow. I've been seeing those apps pop up on Facebook, but right now it's just too early. If we can forecast snowfall totals 24 hours in advance, we're doing a pretty good job. 5-6 days in advance, forget about it. Not going to happen. Those apps, they just are purely showing you what the computer models are saying, not even really a forecast. They're just spitting out the raw numbers to you that show up on the models. 1 hour will show 6 inches of snow. 3 hours later, the app updates. It says 1 inch of snow. 3 hours later, it says rain. Don't trust the weather apps. Trust your local weather people, your meteorologists, human beings, not the computers. They'll give you a better idea of what's going to happen.